That means 125 shifter limited. You guys are on the grid. 125 shifter limited. You guys are on the grid for your qualifying.
Hey everyone. Yeah, it's obvious. I'm back here. This is round 5 of the Sanzaru ROK championship here at Sonoma Raceway. Let's see here. Right now it's Sunday. We just done with qualifying. TLDR qualified 14th. And probably wasn't I was looking for, but I think looking at the lap chart, I am where I am. I mean, so a bit more context. We're running a very twisty configuration this weekend. I did a test about 2 weeks ago here with the same configuration, and ever since I came back from Oregon, I've been running through my head like, how can I get faster? And most importantly, why driving now in 2022 when I'm 42 feels so different. When Kumi and I were out there in Oxnard back in circa 2002, 2003 with the Jim Hall karting school when I just started karting, like when I'm 22 at that time. Obviously, I'm 20 years older, but I just kept running from it. Hey, what's the difference? Why? Yes, you're maybe a little slower, you're not as fit, but why has always felt different since 20 years ago? And I kept thinking about it, and I realized what it felt like. Hey, 20 years ago, I used to have good car control, and I could feel the tire, but I was feeling it through, my butt cheeks. Getting both my butt cheeks squarely in the seat, and I thought about it. All last 6 months, that probably wasn't the case. I don't feel the cart, I don't feel the tire, especially the rear tire from the right to the left, through my butt cheeks. So I thought about it, and I suspected I'm probably not sitting properly in the seat. So 2 weeks ago in the practice, I'm gonna show you. We moved these seat post and the brake pedal and the throttle back a little bit, because I realized I'm actually doing a little bit of a planking inside the seat. My butt cheeks are not in the seat, in the bottom of the seat, as you can see here. So once we fixed that, wow, everything was different. I mean, I felt I was 22 again, so that was really, really good. And so fasting forward this weekend, yesterday on practice, I have never gotten so close with the top runner in kids ever. I mean, I think I was within half a second or a second with all the kids that was running yesterday. Being competitive and faster than some of them even, and making passes in practice. So that was a really good start of the weekend. I was hoping to replicate that this morning in qualifying, but I don't think I drove as well as end of yesterday. I think it's still tough for me to come out of the gate, 5-lap qualifying, and when the tire you really actually drive on is actually the last 2 laps. It's very, very tough. So I think in the future we're gonna bump the pressure up for qualifying. Just give me a couple more laps to get in shape, to get into a situation. Yeah, 14th. But I mean, looking at a lap chart, I think everybody that normally should be in front of me is still in front of me. Everybody I was ahead yesterday is still back there. Yeah, and qualifying, a couple of people drop off the road right as my 4th and 5th lap, the fastest lap, right on the exit of the corner. I'm going up the hill. So I definitely lost 2/10 there just from somebody parking it on the curb, on an exit curb. So obviously that's not their fault. It's just bad luck. But I'm feeling confident in going into the race. Here, oh, by the way, shout out, this weekend we got William again, David out there. Yeah, we'll see you later on in the day. All right.